Ecovacs DEEBOT OZMO 922-in-1 vacuuming and mopping robot with Smart Navi 3.0 systematic cleaning, multi-floor mapping, works with Alexa, large, black. OZMO Mopping DEEBOT can simultaneously vacuum and mop to remove dust on floors. The Ecovacs Home app enables you to adjust the water level of the mopping. With carpet detection, DEEBOT automatically avoids carpets when it mops. Smart Navi 3.0 Smart Navi 3.0 enables DEEBOT to efficiently navigate your home and map your floor plan to your smartphone using laser technology. The interactive map gives you the ability to choose how and where you want to clean. Utilize unlimited virtual boundaries, area mode, and custom mode to clean specific areas, rooms, or to avoid others. Up to 110-minute runtime, a longer battery life for even more cleaning. Multi-floor mapping, DEEBOT can now create up to 3 different maps perfect for multi-level homes and multiple cleaning spaces. When DEEBOT starts to clean, it will automatically recognize the saved area it is going to clean. Voice and app controls, Alexa and Google Assistant voice commands. Ecovacs Smart App comes with 5+ advanced features including direct control, scheduling, status updates, cleaning modes, accessories status, etc. Standard 1 year comes with 1 charging dock, 4 side brushes, 2 high-efficiency air filter, 2 mopping pads, 1 cleaning tool, customer support. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.